Hey everyone, welcome to my course Student Success 2. On the first page, the course introduction section, it has the syllabus for Student Success 2, it has my course welcome, and then it also has where you can find the financial literacy packet, which is over the first unit, and the career exploration packet, which is over the second part of modules. We're going to start out with the course welcome. Welcome to Student Success 2. My name is Heather Funk and I will be your instructor for this course. I am born and raised in Barton, Arkansas, a small town outside of West Helena, Arkansas. I have a Bachelor's of Applied Science degree from University of Arkansas at Fort Smith and will have a Master's of Education degree from UA Little Rock this summer. I am excited to see what this semester has in store for us and cannot wait to get to know all of you. I enjoy teaching this course because I understand the struggle that some freshmen have getting in gear and how lost some students can be. I hope that everyone is comfortable with college and feels like they will attain maximum success after this course. This course is designed to help students develop a learning system for attaining maximum success in college, in work, and in life. This course will help students develop study skills and techniques that will increase student engagement in learning, which will help them be successful as they continue to pursue a certificate or degree. There will be no textbook requirement for this course. Be sure to check the Content tab for available assignments and the Discussion tab for new discussions. The syllabus and course schedule will be posted in the same Course Introduction tab. I always tell my students this course will be harder to fail than it is to pass. Stay on task and everything should go smoothly. Please let me know if you are having problems with any class assignments. I will be available from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. I sometimes check my email on weekends as well. Please do not hesitate to ask questions. Remember, there are no dumb questions. You may email me through Blackboard or through my office email. My office email is hmfunk@ualr.edu. Also, my cell phone number is 870-816-4951. Next, we'll go over the lesson units. Unit 4, which is the first unit of the financial literacy packet. We'll check out the overview of Unit 4. And Unit 4 is the first unit of the 3 in the financial literacy packet. You will need to access the financial literacy through the unit, and it's pages 1 through 11. You can find the financial literacy packet posted under the Course Introduction tab. The learning objectives for this unit will be students will be able to describe different banking services and how to manage and use a checking/savings account and the need to prepare for a rainy day. The learning activities that you will complete in this unit will be you will read Unit 4 in the financial literacy packet, which I previously told you, pages 1 through 11, and you will watch a YouTube video on how to balance a checkbook, and then you will complete pages 10 through 13 on how to balance the checkbook. Now, we're going to go back. Sorry about that. Now we're going to go back, and I'm going to show you where the video under the learning activities that you're supposed to watch is posted right here, and then I will show you the Unit 4 assignment. And this will be where you will submit your assignment, and it is pages 10 through 13, and it's just an exercise on balancing a checkbook. The next unit is Unit 5, and it's the second unit in the Financial Literacy Packet, and you can find the Financial Literacy Packet under the Course Introduction tab, and it's on pages 14 through 18. By the end of this unit, students will be able to explain the debt recovery process by explaining how far is too far, how much debt they should have, and how they could get out of debt. The learning activities for this unit is to read Unit 5, pages 14 through 18, and complete Assignment 2, Debt Recovery Worksheet. Next will be Unit 6, and this is the final unit in the Financial Literacy Packet, and it's on pages 19 through 23. By the end of the unit, students will be able to explain the advantages and disadvantages of credit, as well as the importance of a credit score and how to protect their credit history from identity theft. The learning activities for this would be to read Unit 6 on credit management, create a Credit Karma account, and complete credit card comparison worksheet. Next, we're going to go to the Career Exploration Packet, and Module 1 will be over the resume and the cover letter. Module 1 is the first module in the Career Packet, and it's posted under the Course Introduction tab, and it's pages 3 to 27. Students will create a resume and cover letter and identify transferable skills in this module. They're going to read Module 1, complete Activity 1 on page 7, watch the YouTube video on how to create a resume and a cover letter, view examples of the resume and cover letter, and create a resume and cover letter. Module 2 is on pages 28 through 41, and by the end of the module, students will be able to explain and practice the steps of searching for a job, applying for a job, and preparing for an interview. Learning activities in this module are to read Module 2, fill out mock applications, which is Activity 10 on page 32 and 33. Research job openings and formally go through the application process. Module 3 is Dress for Success. It's a very self-explanatory module. In this module, students will explain and learn details about how to dress for success and discuss appropriate clothing for interviews. There will be no assignments for this module, but you will need to research for interview appropriate clothing. The last module is the Career Networking and Social Media module. In this module, students will be able to discuss opportunities for career networking and using social media in career planning. Their learning activities will be to read Module 4 and to complete Activity 16 on page 52, which is creating a LinkedIn account. The final project for this student success course is a success story. The instructions are to create your story on how to get where you are today using PowerPoint or any other software available to you. Use pictures, etc. to describe your story. Only words will not be accepted. Be sure to include a slide of where you expect yourself to be in 10 years. Be creative. There is no wrong way to complete this assignment. To get credit for the Dress for Success, include a picture in your PowerPoint of you dressed successfully for a job or job interview. and my rubric is attached below. Thank you once again for your time, and I hope to enjoy this course. See you next time. Please remember to email or call me for any questions.